Hello friends, let's today talk about dietary tips for strong bone. If you are suffering from menopause or osteoporosis, or if you have a history of weak bones, or if you have a history of frequent fractures, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Dr. Himanshu Tyagi, Head of Orthopaedic at Fortis Hospital, Delhi NCR. And in this video today, we are going to talk about the key elements for healthy bone that you should have in your diet. Let's first talk about the broader categories. We'll be talking about the key elements required like calcium, vitamin D, protein, magnesium and vitamin K. Next, we'll be talking about food items that cause bone to become weak. So what not to have, that also we are going to discuss. And third, how we can improve the nutritional transport and metabolism for your bone. So let's first talk about the nutritional tips. So let's start with calcium. Normally, our body structure requires 1000 to 1200 mg of calcium per day. Now, there are a lot of food items recommended for this, but the best sources are milk, curd, paneer, or food items like ragi, sesame seeds, also known as til, and almonds or badam. Also, green leafy vegetables like spinach and methi are very good options for daily calcium intake in case of vegetarians. So calcium is the most important building block for your bones, but it is alone not sufficient. You also require vitamin D. Now, good thing about vitamin D is it is available freely in the form of sunlight. So if you can expose your skin to sunlight for say 15 or 20 minutes daily, it is really good for your daily vitamin D nutritional requirement. Normally 400 international to 800 international units of vitamin D we recommend daily. For that, daily morning sunlight is really good, but you should allow the sunlight to fall on your skin. Direct contact of sunlight with your skin leads to formation of vitamin D in your body. Except for that, good sources are like egg yolk or fatty fish. Or in case of vegetarians, there are certain food items available with fortification, like we have juices with added vitamin D supplements. Also, one good supplement of vitamin D for vegetarian is mushroom. So we have spoken about calcium, we have spoken about vitamin D. Now next comes the protein. Protein is important for forming the matrix of the bone. And normally protein is available in food items like dal, chana, rajma, or eggs, or chicken, or food items like fish. If you are a pure vegetarian, you can add more of paneer and tofu to your diet, and even that can fulfill your daily requirement of protein. Except for that, some micronutrients are also required for healthy bone, like magnesium and vitamin K, because these helps in the mineralization of the bone. Good and important sources for vitamin K and magnesium are nuts and seed. Also, it is available in food items like green vegetables such as broccoli or palak. Now, we have spoken about the food items required for healthy bones. Now let's talk about few food items or habits that weaken our bone. So most important is you should not smoke. Smoking definitely leads to weaker bones. Also, you should not consume alcohol. Also, too much of soft drink or colas can weaken your bone. You should also avoid too much salt in your diet or caffeine in your drinks, because that also leads to poor bone quality. Junk foods or processed foods, they will fill your stomach, but they are again a poor source of nutrition. So few things in your diet you should avoid, few things in your diet you should add, but most important is you should always be well hydrated, because nutritional transport and bone metabolism helps in proper healing and regeneration of the bone. And for that, aim to have 2.5 to 3 liters of water every day. Hope this video is useful for you. Try to follow these simple tips for your diet so that you can have healthy bone for life.